Hello everyone, welcome to Average Joe Watch Reviews, where we do more than just reviews. Now this video is a preface to what you're about to see, which is the unboxing, or should I say the unwrapping of the Lionel Train watch that I purchased on eBay. But unfortunately on this channel, things don't always go as planned, and that's one thing I like about this channel is that, you know, I don't go by a script on most occasions. And this one definitely was definitely a surprise to me. So with no further ado, let's just roll right into the footage. Today we are doing a review, or should I say not even an unboxing, but an unpackaging of a really neat little watch here that I got for a friend of mine who actually is he's actually in my Bible study. He's actually the moderator of my Bible study. He's a 75-year-old gentleman who's been in the railroad business all his life. So let's take a look at this baby. I'm actually excited to see this. And I'm going to give this to him tomorrow. So I'm actually doing this taping right when I received it, because I can't wait to give it to him. So let's just take this out of its wrapper. And it comes in a nice collectible case, which is really cool. I like that. All right, with no further ado, let's just dive into it. So there it is, guys. This is the Lionel Train watch. Is it running, is the question. It doesn't seem to be running. I'm gonna have to open this baby up and see if we can put a battery in it. This might be the way to get it off. Looks like we got somewhere with that. With our case back removal. Here we go. Okay, let's see if we can replace it. That was very frustrating, guys. All right, let me see. Do I have something that could possibly fit in there? I mean, even this battery is corroded. But yeah, take a look at that. There's corrosion all over that battery. Now inside the watch itself, oh boy. Yeah, we got corrosion in the watch itself. I mean, come on, guys. You know, I'm gonna try it. I don't think it's gonna work if I just scrape a little bit of this corrosion away. But this one may have to go back. And very misleading, you know. Very frustrating as well. But I'm going to clean off some of this corrosion and see what happens. Let me see if I can just stick a battery in here and get this thing working. And if so, great. This battery does seem to fit. If I can just get it in properly. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if this thing's going to run, to be honest with you. Knocking around a little bit. There we go. We got it working. Wow. I'm surprised. I'm actually really surprised. Now the problem is it going to make any sounds? Because it looks like over here, these are also batteries right here. And these batteries look like they're corroded to the peak. Oh man. I'm going to see if we can do anything with these batteries here. I just so happen to have one more battery, and I might be able to take another battery out of another watch, but this is just insane. I'm going to take this battery back out and see if we can replace these two batteries right here. If I can get it working, I'll be a happy customer. Not a satisfied customer, but I'll be a happy customer, because this is a gift that I want to give to my buddy, and I want him to have at least a decently running watch. I think this is pretty neat though, but it's got to be working 100%, so I'll check back with you in a moment as soon as I can get that off.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Right, well, after playing around with this watch for a while, I was able to finally get it to work. Now the only problem is I can't get it to shut up. But just for video's sake, I'll let you guys listen to some of the sounds here. So now I have to try to find a way to shut it up, because it won't turn off now. So what I've been doing is just taking the back lid off here, or the case back, and as you can hear it, I was able to shut it off there. But guys, I mean, this watch was in very bad shape. So I just replaced all 3 batteries. The batteries that came with this watch were all corroded.
A few moments later.
All right, so I think we're back in business, guys. After some playing around with the watch, I was able to finally have it just turn off. And now that when we push the button, it won't work now. Oh, I thought I had it figured out. Oh, man, this is frustrating, guys. Very frustrating indeed. Thought we had it going. Well, let's get into at least just some measurements here of the watch before it goes back. This watch is, or should I say this watch measures in at a 33. A very small watch. But it's definitely, this is a railroad watch, so if we're going to go back into the times, this is how big the watches were back in the day, where 33 was a regular size. This is a 11 millimeter in case thickness. Our lug width is, let's take a look here. Our lug width is 18 millimeter. When we look at it lug to lug, we're looking at a watch that is right at 38.5. This is a plastic, like Hard-X crystal, which for a watch that was like 20 bucks even new, what do you expect, right? So we'll put the strap back on. The leather strap, by the way, is not really that nice. I mean, it looks nice, but it just doesn't feel nice. This was a $20 watch, I think, even back in the day. I've actually seen like commercials on YouTube about this thing. Very nostalgic type piece. Here's one half right there. I mean, it looks nice with the double stitching on each side. I mean, it's genuine leather lining, and they don't even spell lining correctly. That's lining, like winning, and it's from China. I mean, nothing feels like leather, let's put it that way. I'm going to do a wristwatch check. I got the Casio F91W. I'll be showing you that watch in the upcoming weeks when we do our torture tests. I actually got my shipment in today, so stay tuned for that. Also, do me a favor, press that subscribe button and notifications so that you're aware of new videos that pop up. I like to put up new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. So let me show it to you on a 7-inch wrist. It actually wears larger than a 33 in my opinion. I actually wouldn't have thought it was a 33. I'm just disappointed in the purchase today. You know, I saw others for like right around the same price, and you know, they were all quote unquote working. This one came not working, and I had to replace all 3 of these batteries, and it just, you know, it's just very frustrating. I mean, you know, if I were to take this to a shop and get 3 batteries replaced, I mean, you know how much that would have costed? And the fact that I had to replace it myself, you know, that's time is money. Plus you got to buy the batteries, and now the watch isn't even working properly. Unfortunately, this watch here was pretty much a train wreck. It's just not working. Even when I squeeze it now, nothing's working. I don't know. I'm not happy with it. So, but that's my review, guys. You get what you pay for sometimes, and there's definitely a misrepresentation. It's just you got to be careful. Buyer beware on eBay. So I will be putting in a ticket for a return. So, but at least we got a video out of it. So Not the best, not one of my best videos, guys, but I figured at least I can show you guys some of the realities of eBay. I was duped. I was totally duped. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. And always remember, there's always time to be kind to one another. I'll see you guys next time on Average Joe Watch Reviews. See you guys.